veteran Earl Clark going up against Steve Taylor Jr. Ball is up. Game is live. NLEX with the first possession. When you know that you can bank on your import to provide the numbers.
It just takes, I mean, especially for a guy like me, I like to shoot the ball a little bit from outside. You know, when the defense are changing.
Clark working down low, and that hook shot falls in. Only a 1-point game now for the Elasto Painters.
Clark was asking for a foul, too. A lot of contact there.
Still sticking to the Clark attacking once again, and he finishes this time off the back.
You can tell he's making a concerted effort to be more aggressive, especially. Yeah, if there were style points, they would get none, but they got it done. That's the most important.
But Earl Clark starting to put in the work here. He has 6 points in the period.
Both imports not shooting particularly well.
Yep.
From the
Clark starting to beat up. He has 14 now.
E. Clark, 14 and 6.
As Clark slams it home. What a turnaround for the NLEX import.
For sure, and his team, since he got hot, the other guys are doing well, and they have a 12-point advantage in this third quarter alone.
17 and 10. Oh, and 2 more points to his tally as he finishes strong at the rim.
Again, you gotta wonder, maybe that, you know, foul binge of his in the
shine counterpart in Taylor as he rattles home that bonus free throw. A timeout, a painful one, as it ends up with a Earl Clark jumper. He is flowing now. First taste of a double-digit lead for NLEX in this ball game.
cross.
Miss. Oh! Earl Clark with a putback jam.
That was really nice, and he's asking for the foul, and I think he could have a case there. He got pushed as he was going up.
Taylor down low again, and Rainer Shine.
Almost a big breakdown for NLEX there.
Will not even foul. Wow. They had their chances even here in the end game, as acting head coach Adonis Tierra